talking about survival skills in the Klondike, like panning for gold and dog sledding.
I don't know.
Yeah, do it! Mush! 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 It's right there. It's on the ground. Dumb butt. Come! Come, Dylan, come! Come here! Come on! Mountainous in the Klondike. That's why you need a sled dog to pull your supplies.
To survive in the Klondike, it is very necessary to have a protector like this sled dog who's very protective.
Do you hear that water? Panning for gold. Step 1, go to the river with your pan. Step 2, you put your pan in the river and make sure to get lots of water and dirt. And then you bring it up. And you sift through the water. And there's your gold. Repeat steps 1 through 4 till you have your desired amount of gold. It's so cold. Ta-da! Okay, treat! Come on, it's right there. Dylan, come. Come. Come here. Okay, I don't think it's gold. Step 1, get a pan. Step 2, go to the river. Step 3, there's a spider. There is a spider.